Hello, I've come down to the beach again. I'm going to have another swim and I'll probably try painting the cliffs again. It's a lot clearer today. So I've just got my JustGoSketching kit out and visibility's loads better. So I'll see what I get down today. And here's the splodge layer, which I'll let dry now while I go for a swim. It's interesting that things seem a lot more colourful in today's painting than yesterday's. I've added a layer of Caran Neocolor IIs in now. So I've washed out some of the Neocolor IIs but left some of the texture from it and decided if I want to put any pen detail in when I get back home. So this is today's finished version of the beach scene. It's very authentic because it's got sand stuck in it and a dog walked over it when it was wet. And it's much brighter and more colourful than yesterday's version when it was more misty. As always, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Bye.